How to get Perplexity AI API keys. So you gotta put in mind that in order to get API keys in Perplexity AI, you're gonna have to spend a certain amount, since you're gonna need to buy yourself credits, and these credits are used to basically buy or generate these API keys. But if you wanna know how to do this, just go ahead here into your account, then go to API. So in API, once you have created an API group, you'll be able to see the API keys of that group over here. So choose the API group you want the API key from, and just press over here on the left, which is your API keys. So I can't really create an API key since, again, we don't have credit, and we're gonna have to buy more credits. So we're gonna have to add a payment method to buy API credits. So we're gonna go over here. So we're gonna have to enter a payment method, and once we have that, we will be able to buy more credits. And once we have more credits in our Perplexity AI account, we will be able to generate an API key once we accept the terms and conditions. So terms of service, I mean. So you can go ahead and read this over here and just accept the terms and generate an API key when you have enough credits. But once you press on generate API key, you will be able to get yourself an API key in the specific API group that you made. But that's pretty much how you get API keys in Perplexity AI. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.